So much of what shapes who we are lives deep inside. It lives in the body and in the nervous system, and it's often beyond the reach of words. And that's exactly where the healing begins. EMDR is a powerful evidence-based therapy that helps people process and resolve traumatic experiences. And when play is integrated with fidelity, it can deepen our work considerably. It brings in connection, co-regulation, and a felt sense of safety into the sessions. Play helps us to access what words alone often cannot. The protective patterns and survival responses, they get held deeply in the body. And when those patterns are engaged and integrated, the system begins to reorganize and it can regain flexibility. And with that comes more freedom, more choice, and a greater capacity to live beyond survival. Woven throughout all 8 phases of EMDR, play supports clients in staying regulated as the brain and the body complete what was once just too much to process. Over time, that process reshapes the protective strategies that once kept them safe, but now limits their lives. The reactions, the relationship struggles, and the behaviors that often bring people into therapy can be integrated. Well, hey there, I'm Jackie Flynn. I'm a registered play therapist, an EMDR-approved trainer and consultant, and I'm the author of the EMDR with Kids flip chart, and this is the EMDR Playground. It's a community where we explore how EMDR and play can work together with full fidelity to the model. Here you'll find conversations with leading experts and practical tools you can use right away and insights that will change the way you think about healing. We are so glad you're here. So subscribe and join us as we explore what becomes possible when EMDR and play come together in our work.